Hello and welcome to my video about how to use my database application generator to create a database application for Android. This is my site tomavelev.com/generatoropp, and you could purchase a license from here for all kinds of Java related applications, even PHP and Android license and standard Java license and so on. This tool had become a Swiss knife, so you can accept the terms and conditions and download it. So this is how it looks like. It's a list of applications. So I'm gonna demonstrate you how to create a relational application. I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna name it Pets Manager. Pets Manager. I'm gonna add, these fields are ignored for Android applications, so I'm gonna add platform. The mostly developed Android version is Android with Room with Kotlin. So here are some stuff you could choose from. I'm gonna choose material, no paging, RESTful, is dependency is off, is included is off. I'm gonna switch to Android Hex. In past half year, Google translated their dependencies to Android X, so I'm gonna choose it and I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna add two models. First will be person with number of fields, will be ID and name, and second model will be pet with ID, name, and owner ID, and I'm gonna put int because the ID of person is int. Okay, not sure why it chose, no matter. And I'm gonna add a reference. This is the dependency link. This is the link between dependencies, the reference. So source table is person, with source property ID. Target table is pet with target property ID. Owner ID. I'm gonna rename it because I goofed. Owner ID, and I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna generate I'm gonna place a directory here where it will be generated. Let me create a pet manager application. Standard stuff with empty activity, and finish, and I'm gonna run it once it finishes building. Okay, detected the app. Finished scanning stuff, and I'm gonna run it as it is, the Hello World version. So here it is, very simple Hello World application. I'm gonna copy this path, the app folder, and I'm gonna place it in the directory. And after I switch to something else, the application will load the application package and put it into the field. Gonna save it, save it, save it, and I'm gonna click generate. And after the ID, Android Studio parses the file system, it founds the generated application. So as the IDE has not yet migrated all the stuff, I'm gonna place these two properties in the Gradle.properties. Android use Android Higgs and Android enable Jadefire. So something else I need to update is the manifest. I'm gonna place a name with the generated by the generator app. It's a simple singleton app that extends the Android app application, and I'm also gonna get this intent filter, delete the main activity, and I'm gonna make a person list activity the starting activity. So I'm gonna rebuild it to check, to verify it will build. And it look like something I'm goofed with the owner ID, personal ID, no. Oh, something's wrong. Well, I need to update this, but it's a small thing that I will fix with the next version. The where close. Let me see. Owner ID. I'm editing the generated file. I'm gonna edit the down. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this with the next version, but for the demo I'm gonna compile it and run it. this is the remaining main activity. It still uses the old dependency. Let me see. I'm gonna delete it. I removed it from the view usage. Yeah. I'm gonna delete it because I deleted it from the manifest file. No problem. I'm not gonna need this one also. And these strings, all the strings are extracted in the strings XML and could be changed from here. So for example, no persons, no persons. I'm gonna remove the underscore and place with camel case. So the result is an application that could manage persons and the pets of every person. I'm gonna add a new guy with something like John, and you could see he has 0 pets. I'm gonna place another one and I'm gonna add a pet here. You could see Caesar. And after I return, you could see these numbers are updated accordingly. I'm gonna add one pet here. Mike. Doesn't matter. And I'm gonna delete it to see that no pets label is returned after there are no remaining pets. So with very little coding, you could achieve an application that could manage records that you defined in my database application generator. Soon I will make it even easier to build applications like this. So stay tuned for future updates of my app. You could download it now and give me any feedback, any stuff you find that could be improved to ease your development. Thanks again and see you.